Every year, more and more amazing and incredibly useful devices, which can make our life easier and save a lot of time, are launched to the market. So today we are going to be discussing gadgets that you didn't know existed. Stay tuned till the end of the show. 10. A tile you can call. Anyone who has ever misplaced their apartment keys has probably lamented the fact that they couldn't call to find them. There's now a tile that helps you find the keys. You can call it from your smartphone. It can be attached to anything, including a dog collar, a backpack, or even a TV remote. 9. An extractor pump kit. If you've been bitten by a snake and can't get to the hospital right away, this device could save your life. It's also useful after being stung by a bee, wasp, mosquito, or spider. The pump will remove at least some of the poison, lowering the risk of serious poisoning. 8. Telescoping torch and magnet. If you drop something and need a torch to find it, there's a good chance you won't be able to reach the dropped item either. A magnet is located at the end of this extendable LED flashlight from ViveLight. This allows you to retrieve metal objects that you have dropped. The torch extends to over 22 inches, allowing you to get into those hard-to-reach places and retrieve your item. Anyone who builds or repairs their own tech kit should have this book. 7. Speednight Bike Lighting System. This is a must-have for serious cyclists who ride at night. The Speednight Bike Light includes a helmet sensor that attaches to a Velcro pad on the helmet and connects to your bike light via Bluetooth. When you move your head to scan the road ahead, the bike light follows your gaze up and down and side to side. The bike light has 800 lumens and provides a clear view of the road ahead. There's also a rear light that flashes quickly when you brake. Sensors on the main unit detect when your head moves to the left or right and project a flashing red laser line onto the road to indicate your intended movement direction. The main unit allows you to switch between full beam, half beam, quick flash, slow flash, and off. The main unit on your handlebars displays your speed, cadence, and heart rate. The device is compatible with the majority of heart rate monitors. The app is well written and simple to use, displaying your bike's history, current ride information, and set wheel information. The Google Maps integration displays your route. If you have an accident, you can configure SOS to alert a preset emergency SOS contact for assistance. The Bluetooth connection to each remote unit is quick and simple, and the side indicator lights are extremely useful. My only difficulty was canceling the side indicator without invoking the other side indicator. This is an excellent device for any bike rider who takes trips in the dark. Your speed, cadence, and heart rate are displayed on the main unit on your handlebars. The device works with the vast majority of heart rate monitors. The app displays your bike's history, current ride information, and set wheel information, and is well written and simple to use. Your route is displayed by the Google Maps integration. If you are in an accident, you can configure SOS to notify a predefined emergency SOS contact for assistance. The Bluetooth connection to each remote unit is quick and easy, and the side indicator lights come in handy. The only problem I had was canceling the side indicator without invoking the other side indicator. This is an excellent device for any bike rider who goes on nighttime rides. 6. A sonogram belt for pregnant women. The abdominal monitor reinforces proximity by shifting the focus back to the belly rather than an external screen. The keypad is intuitive for optimal haptic navigation, emphasizing the iconic gesture of embrace, allowing other members of the family, particularly the father, to connect with the fetus in its context. It could also be an educational opportunity for other family members. The insight is to keep the mothers in a positive frame of mind. By establishing early bonding, it is possible to prolong the maternal relationship post-birth while also delivering a healthy child. Preview not only allows you to interact with and record the unborn child's continuous growth development throughout gestation, but it also allows you to gain an early understanding of the unborn child's personality as you see it yawning, rolling, smiling, and so on, bringing you closer until it finally rests in your arms. Preview can also be envisioned as a telemedicine tool for women who live in rural areas. Its form and usability are approachable and intuitive for ease of operation, as well as cost and time savings in transportation to hospitals or clinics. Preview can help mothers and fathers connect and understand the health and development of their unborn child in more rural areas where midwives are still in practice, hence reducing their ignorance, uncertainty, and anxiety towards giving birth. It is lightweight to carry, soft and comfortable to touch, and thus aids in the relief of any white coat syndromes associated with visiting doctors in a medical setting. 5. A projecting bracelet. Remember all those cool futuristic gadgets we used to see in sci-fi movies, like Minority Report? To avoid getting too philosophical, judging by the gadgets and technology that keep sprouting up around us these days, it's becoming clear that the future is now. There have been numerous recent additions to the market for wearable technology. This one, I must say, is by far the most unique. The Secret Bracelet can project a touchscreen onto your arm, allowing you to access and use your apps without having to pull out your phone. This product is still in the prototype stage and has not yet been officially launched. The Secret's creators have created a website to explain the details of their vision and have also uploaded a video for us to get a better picture. The Secret Bracelet projects your phone screen onto your arm using a Pico projector, and it has 8 proximity sensors that allow the bracelet to detect your finger position while you control the device. 4. Pocket DJ Mixer. The Pocket DJ Mixer isn't for everyone, but if you're the type of person who would enjoy it, we'd like to be your friend. As recently as yesterday, consider all of the bachelor or bachelorette parties you planned that would have benefited from a portable, wireless DJ mixer. You could have done a sick transition between jams and the entire limo crowd would have gone crazy. It's not too late though. To up the ante, connect the Pocket DJ Mixer to the headphone jack of your MP3 player, laptop, or smartphone. The mini mixing board functions similarly to a standard one, so as long as you know how to lay down the tunes, the music at your next mini event will be on fire. 3. Touch Here Tactile Dictionary. The Touch Here Text Recognition Dictionary was developed by researchers at the National University of Singapore. It is made up of 2 parts, a small sensor that is attached to your finger pads and a speaker that is attached to your ear. You'll hear the meaning of a word printed in a book as soon as you touch it with the scanner. At the same time, the device does not bother anyone else, only you can hear it. 2. Stop Insomnia Mask. According to Michael Breus, PhD, who wears a sleep mask to bed due to his wife's late-night TV watching habit, a sleep mask provides sensory deprivation, eliminates visual distractions, and reduces the amount of light entering your eyes. Light at night suppresses the production of melatonin, our primary sleep hormone. This is especially true of blue light, which is emitted by televisions, computers, cell phones, and other electronics, says Robert S. Rosenberg, D.O., author of Sleep Soundly Every Night. Feel fantastic every day. Even the smallest amount of light, such as that from a digital clock or night light, can disrupt your sleep, according to Ruben Naiman, Ph.D., author of Hush, a book of bedtime contemplations. The mask guarantees you darkness. 1. Apple AirTag. If you've ever used your Apple smartwatch to ping the location of your phone, or if you rely on the Find My app a lot, you're about to fall in love with the Apple AirTag. The Apple AirTag, which is similar in concept, uses Bluetooth technology to track just about anything phone, wallet, keys, backpack, AirPods, luggage, and so on. You can even use Siri to activate it. Simply say, "Hey Siri, find my wallet," or whatever item you've equipped with AirTag. This clever little device then employs precision finding to track your item. If it's a long distance away, it connects to hundreds of millions of other Apple devices on the Find My network to pinpoint its location. That's all we had for today. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel by clicking on the subscribe button below. Also show us some love by liking our video and sharing it with your friends. Bye. See you in the next video.